One of the stages in the production of the Volkswagen Passat is the spraying of paint using specialized robots. First, the car is assembled by the workers. Come take a look inside the German and American factories of the Volkswagen brand. The Volkswagen Passat is a series of large family cars manufactured since 1973, and now in its 8th generation. A four-door coupe variant of the Passat was released in the North American market in 2008 as the Passat CC, which was then renamed to Volkswagen CC. In January 2011, Volkswagen debuted another Passat model, internally designated Volkswagen New Midsize Sedan or NMS, that would be manufactured at the Volkswagen Chattanooga assembly plant. Volkswagen also manufactures the Passat NMS in its Nanjing factory. The Passat NMS is sold in the North America and China and Middle East. The separate B8 Passat model entered production in Europe in 2014, based on the MQB platform. In 2019, the Passat NMS program was split into two, as the North American one continued being produced on an older platform, while the Chinese Passat moved on to the MQB platform, meaning that Volkswagen marketed 3 models under the Passat nameplate globally at that time. The North American Passat was phased out after the 2023 model year. Wolfsburg is a city found in Lower Saxony, Germany. The company's current facility at Wolfsburg is one that was completed in 1938, and it now covers an area of over 6.5 million square meters. The production process of the Volkswagen Passat involves a series of intricate steps and technologies to ensure the creation of a high-quality vehicle. The process begins with the fabrication of various metal components and panels through stamping machines. These components include the car's frame, doors, hood, and other structural elements. The stamped parts are then assembled in the body shop, where they are welded together to form the basic structure of the car. The body of the car moves to the paint shop, where it undergoes several stages to achieve a smooth and durable paint finish. This includes processes like cleaning, priming, painting, and sealing. Advanced robotic systems are often used for precise and consistent painting. The painted body is transferred to the assembly line, where various components are added to create a fully functional vehicle. This includes installing the engine, transmission, suspension, electrical components, interior features, and more. Assembly line workers, along with robotic systems, collaborate to ensure efficient and accurate assembly. At various points along the assembly line, rigorous quality control checks are conducted to identify and rectify any issues. These checks cover everything from component functionality to exterior and interior fit and finish. Once the vehicle is fully assembled, it undergoes comprehensive testing and inspection. This includes functional tests for components like brakes, lights, and electronics. Vehicles may also go through dynamic tests on tracks to evaluate their performance and handling. After passing all the tests and inspections, final touches are made to the vehicle's appearance. This involves cleaning, polishing, and ensuring that all interior and exterior elements are in perfect condition. Once the vehicle is fully assembled and ready, it's prepared for shipping. This could involve additional protective measures to ensure the vehicle arrives at dealerships or customers in pristine condition. Throughout this process, advanced technologies play a crucial role, including robotics, computerized systems, and automation. These technologies help streamline the production process, enhance precision, and improve the overall quality of the vehicles being produced. It's important to note that the production process can vary slightly based on factors like the manufacturing facility, specific model variations, and updates in technology and processes. For 2020, the Passat's sheet metal has been redesigned with a straightened greenhouse and a coupe-like roofline, which gives the car a much bolder look. The slim headlights and the dominant grille of the front end are supported by a strong tornado line on the side and prominent Passat badging that runs the width of the deck lid, all combining for a premium feel. Our line models take the basic design. The more aggressive front-end treatment features a unique bumper with C-signature air intakes in gloss black and adds vertical chrome stripes to the grille. From the side, our line models are distinguished by badging on the front quarter panel and black window surrounds. At the back, a rear diffuser and rear spoiler add a sporty touch. Every Passat comes standard with forward collision warning and autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian monitoring, front assist, to warn drivers of potential frontal collisions with vehicles and pedestrians, and in some cases provide automatic braking assistance. blind spot monitor to help warn drivers of the presence of other vehicles in adjacent lanes, and rear traffic alert to help detect vehicles approaching from the side that may be difficult for the driver to see while reversing are standard as well. Adaptive cruise control and lane keeping system, lane assist, are standard starting on the second trim. For the 2018 model year, the engine capacity was increased from 1.8 to 2.0 liters, and incorporated the so-called Budak cycle for improved combustion efficiency. The upshot is 174 horsepower that kicks in at 4,400 revolutions per minute, and is maintained until 6,000 revolutions per minute. For 2020, a new torque converter, combined with new software, boosts output to 206 pound-feet of torque. Passat is known for having one of the most spacious back seats in the mid-size sedan segment, with 39.1 inches of rear legroom. The Volkswagen Passat's popularity can be attributed to a combination of factors that have made it a successful and well-liked car in the automotive market. Here are some key reasons why the Volkswagen Passat has gained popularity. Volkswagen has a reputation for engineering and producing vehicles with high build quality and reliability. The Passat is often perceived as a well-constructed and durable vehicle, which contributes to its popularity among consumers looking for long-lasting cars. It is available in various configurations, including sedan and wagon variants, which cater to a wide range of consumer preferences. Its versatility in terms of size, features, and engine options allows buyers to choose a Passat that best suits their needs. The Passat's design has evolved over the years to keep up with modern trends, while maintaining a classic and timeless appeal. Its aesthetic appeal, combined with a comfortable and well-designed interior, attracts a diverse group of buyers. Volkswagen often integrates advanced technology features into the Passat. This includes infotainment systems, driver assistance technologies, and connectivity options that appeal to tech-savvy consumers. The Passat typically includes a range of safety features, both standard and optional, which resonate with buyers who prioritize safety for themselves and their families. Volkswagen offers a variety of engine options for the Passat, including fuel-efficient diesel and gasoline engines, as well as hybrid powertrains. This diversity in powertrain options appeals to consumers seeking economical and environmentally friendly options. The Volkswagen Passat is known for its comfortable seating and spacious cabin, making it an appealing choice for families and individuals looking for a practical and comfortable vehicle for daily commutes and road trips. Volkswagen is a well-established and recognized automotive brand with a global presence. This brand recognition and reputation for producing quality vehicles contribute to the Passat's popularity. The Passat often provides a good balance of features, quality, and performance for its price point. Consumers see it as offering good value for the money.